So very good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, which is the topic we are dealing with now in accountancy? Yes? What are we doing? Which chapter? Yes, Pranav?
Trial run.
Huh?
Depreciation.
Depreciation. Depreciation. We were doing the first question. We are still at the first question. Question number 1. Am I right? Okay. So let's move on to second question. Very similar to the first question. Okay. First of all, let's read and understand. On July 1st, Ashok Limited purchased a machine for rupees 1,08,000. Okay. So the machine is purchased for 1,08,000 and spent rupees 12,000 on its installation. Okay. So for installing it, they have spent 12,000 extra. Okay. At the time of purchase, it was estimated that effective commercial life of the machine will be 12 years. And after 12 years, its salvage value will be 12,000. Everything clear? Yeah. So the showroom price is 1,08,000, installation 12,000. Then it is expected function for a period of 12 years. And after 12 years, the salvage value means the scrap value. Okay? Salvage value is another name for scrap value. Okay, how much is that? 12,000. You are asked to prepare machinery account, depreciation account for first 3 years. Why 3 years? Because it is expected for 12 years. So you are only asked to prepare for 3 years. 3 years. Okay. If depreciation is written off according to straight line method. Okay. So what is our first task? What should be done first? Yes?
Ma'am,
What is the first thing to find out?
cost of asset?
See, it's raining heavily here. Louder, please.
Ma'am, cost of asset.
Very good. Cost of asset. Okay. How do you find the cost of asset? Cost of asset. How much is cost of asset?
Ma'am, price of machine plus installation plus.
Yes, cost of machine plus installation. Very good. Find out 1,08,000 plus 12,000. 1,08,000 plus 12,000. How much is that? 1,20,000. Okay, find out depreciation now. How do you find depreciation? Depreciation is equal to cost of asset
Minus scrap value.
minus,
Scrap value.
yes, estimated scrap value divided by
Estimated life.
estimated life. Okay, find it out. Yes, Alan, what happened? You didn't understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you. No, it is not here. This is the formula to find out depreciation. Okay? Depreciation formula is depreciation is equal to cost of asset. Cost of asset. Cost of asset means it is not only the showroom price, it also includes all those expenses till the time it starts functioning in the business. Okay? So cost of asset here, the showroom price is only 1,08,000. And it is said that 12,000 extra had been spent for what? For installing it. So together 1,08,000 plus 12,000 will give you cost of asset. Okay, cost of asset. Minus what? Minus estimated scrap value. Estimated scrap value means after 12 years, we are expecting that the machinery will function for 12 years. It is our expectation. So after 12 years, what will be the price of this machine? Okay, that is the scrap value. Scrap. So cost of asset minus scrap value. How much is scrap value? It is given in the question 12,000. Okay, divided by expected life. Expected life. Expected life. This is the formula. Cost of asset minus scrap value divided by expected life. That will give you depreciation. Okay, depreciation. Okay, so what is now next? What are you asked to do? You are asked to find to prepare machinery account and depreciation account for the first 3 years. And which is the method used here? Straight line method. What is the peculiarity of straight line method? Aparna, can you tell me? Yes? Network issue? Rose, can you tell me?
Ma'am, I wasn't there in the last classes.
Sorry?
I was
Not there in the last class. Okay, okay. Krishna?
Depreciation is constant.
Straight line method means depreciation remains constant. Every year we'll be charging the same depreciation. And what happens to the value of asset at the end? Yes? At the end? Yes, Aman? Can you? No? Forgot? If it is straight line method, value of asset becomes 0. Okay? Okay. Now, let us prepare the machinery account. Draw the machinery account, please. Here, nothing is mentioned about which method should be used. Like, which method of accounting treatment, charging it against the profit or preparation of provision of depreciation. But it is evident from the question that provision for depreciation account is not asked to prepare. Correct? So, we are going to select the first method. We are going for the first method. That is charging depreciation against asset. Okay. So, machinery account. What is the first entry? Always the first entry is purchase of the asset. Okay. When asset is purchased, asset comes in. Here, what is the asset? Machine. So, entry is machinery account debit. Machinery account debit to bank. Cash or bank. Okay. Now, you are asked to prepare machinery account. Posting it to the ledger. Machinery account. Machinery account is debited. Machinery account is debited. That means this machinery account is debited. Come to the debit side of machinery account and we will write there to bank. Okay. To bank. Wait. Let us do it together. Don't write. Okay. Now, we need to charge depreciation. Yeah? Depreciation. What is the journal entry? Depreciation account debit to machinery. Depreciation account debit to machinery. So what is this depreciation to be done? It is debited. In the machinery account, you can see machinery account is credited. So come to the credit side and we will write by depreciation. Now, wait, listen to me. Now, the depreciation we had calculated how much? 9,000. 9,000 is PA. PA means per annum. Okay? PA. Keep this in your mind or note it down. When you find PA, P dot A dot, that means it is per annum. That means for 1 year. This 9,000 is for 1 year. Keep the videos on. Keep the videos on. Okay. So, this 9,000 is for per annum. It is for the full year. Now, take care of the dates. When is the asset purchased? Look at the date. It is on July 1st. Okay? And look at the last sentence. The account is closed on December 31st. Account is closed on December 31st. From this, what do we understand about the accounting period? What is accounting period? Followed by this business, this company, Ashok Limited. Yes, Anish? What is accounting period in the question?
Ma'am, year, every year. 12 years.
Accounting period. I'm asking for the.
1 year.
Sorry?
1 year.
10. What is the accounting period? Is it from April 1st to March 31st? Or Jan?
It is from July 1 to December 1.
The dates are very important. When we calculated depreciation, we found out depreciation for full year period. Full year per annum. Full year. This is for 1 year. 12 months. But we don't want this full amount as we purchased the machinery on July 1st. So what is the depreciation? 9,000, which is for 1 year, into 6 by 12. Six by 12. Cut. 1 by 2. 4,500. Okay? Okay. So we write 4,500 as depreciation. Okay? 4,500 finish. Anything else? Nothing. Balance it. Okay, so 1,20,000 is there on the debit side. Credit side we have 4,500. So greater amount is 1,20,000. Both the side, write it on the both the side. Grand total 1,20,000 minus 4,500 will give you 1,15,500. So what does this mean? At the end of 6 months, the value of machinery has come down to 1,15,500. Okay, so the balancing figure will bring, we'll bring it to the next year. Bring this to the next year. Now, look at the next year. Next accounting period starts from January 1st to December 31st. Here it is the 12 months, full period, full year. So we will take the amount 9,000. By depreciation 9,000. Okay, so 1,15,500, depreciation 9,000, balance it. 1,15,500 minus 9,000, the balancing figure is 1,06,500. Bring it to the next year. You are asked to prepare this for 3 years. 3 years. Again, it is 2012 January 1 to 2012 December 31st. Full 1 year. Okay. Balance it. Carry forward it to the next year. Finish. Stop there. Is this understood? So which is this method followed here? We have two methods for recording depreciation in the books of accounts. Two methods. Which are they? Yes, anyone? Which is that? Two methods regarding the treatment of depreciation in the books of accounts.
Charging depreciation and
Charging depreciation, then
creating depreciation.
creating provision for depreciation account. Okay, provision for depreciation. And what kind of method is this? Which method is this?
Charging.
Yeah, right. Charging depreciation against asset account. That's why we are showing this depreciation here in the asset account. Okay. Otherwise, we will not show it in the machinery account, in the asset account. Instead of this, we'll be showing it in the provision for depreciation account. We'll do problem, then you'll understand. Okay. I hope this is completed. Is it over, Akshay? Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now, the next one is preparing depreciation account. In the question, you are asked to prepare machinery account as well as depreciation account. So next, let us prepare depreciation account. What is the journal entry? I told you depreciation is